Great sound is important. That's why I sound like this. And not like this. This would be awful. And if you've been meaning to get a great speaker, look no further than the Bose Soundlink Flex Bluetooth speaker. What's up guys, I'm Devin Howard, back again with another episode of Unbox This. If you're not following me on Instagram, find me there as @DevinHoward. Today we're getting into the Bose Soundlink Flex Bluetooth speaker, a budget-friendly portable speaker that lets you take your music with you. The Bose Soundlink Flex Bluetooth speaker is built to go with you wherever you go. It's waterproof and dustproof, and it's built to handle a little bit of roughness. Even with its durable build though, it still offers clear, bright sound to give you the ultimate soundtrack for your day-to-day adventures. Alright you guys, so let's take this out of the box. It is time to unbox this. Alright you guys, let's do this. How convenient. We can just peel this off. No box cutter necessary. Wow, nice. Alright, so we have the speaker out of the box here, and it has some weight to it. It definitely feels like it could be tossed around and still be okay. So if you do plan on going on a lot of adventures, or you want a speaker that you can take with you to the beach or the pool, this one is going to really hold up, I think. Alright, let's see what else comes in the box. Now here we have what looks like a user manual. Here we have some important safety instructions. Now here we have a USB to USB-C cord. And that's everything that comes in the box, you guys. It's pretty minimalistic. You are just going to get that cord, the speaker, the instructions, and then you're ready to go. I like that there isn't a bunch of extra accessories here, because if you want a portable speaker, you want something that's just easy to carry with you. You don't need a bunch of hookups or anything like that. So that's what comes in the box. Let's clear off the table and then we'll talk about it. Now here we have the portable Bluetooth speaker. It has some weight to it, so I feel like you can easily toss this around and it's going to be okay. It's not delicate. So if you're looking for a portable speaker that you can take with you on a hike or to the beach or maybe by the pool, this one's definitely going to be able to hold up. The Bose Soundlink Flex Bluetooth speaker is one of the best portable speakers available right now. You're going to get crisp, clear, undistorted sound regardless of what you're playing. Each instrument stands out and every nuance in the vocals can be heard. On top of that, you get balanced treble and bass. There's nothing overpowering about this Bluetooth speaker. The Soundlink Flex gives you head-bumping audio in a super durable case. So, how sturdy is this? Well, it was rigorously tested to meet an IP67 rating, meaning it's waterproof. If you're trying to throw an underwater rager, the Bose Soundlink Flex will keep the tunes going for you. Or if you just want to jam out while you're kayaking, boating, or paddleboarding, your speaker will keep the energy up even if it gets wet. If you don't have an adventurous spirit, that's okay. You can still take advantage of the Bose Soundlink Flex. Bring this guy in the shower with you and then you've got your own personal shower concert. It also floats, so if it falls into the water, it's not going to sink to the bottom of the ocean, never to be found again, like the digital camera I lost in 2010. It's dust-proof as well, so a little dirt or sand won't hurt this guy. The durability goes beyond just the case though. The transducer and passive radiators underneath the steel grille are built with strong, waterproof materials and are sealed tightly in the speaker's housing. Now you wouldn't know by looking at it, but the Bose Soundlink Flex speaker is built like a Hummer. It's rust and UV resistant and was designed using anti-peel, anti-flake materials, and yet it still maintains a sleek appearance. I also love how versatile it is to use. Yeah, you can bring it in the ocean or the lake with you, but you can also hang it like this. You can tilt it, you can lean it, you can put it on your shoulder as you're walking down Venice Boardwalk and blast your favorite tunes. With Position IQ, it'll optimize the sound based on how you're listening to it. It can last up to 12 hours on a single charge, and after that, it charges quickly via a USB-C port. The Bose Soundlink Flex Bluetooth speaker can handle whatever you throw at it, and if you're ready for it to jazz up your life, shop the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. Let me know what songs you would listen to on your Bose Soundlink Flex Bluetooth speaker. I'm Devin Howard, thanks for watching, and we just unboxed this. Bye guys!